Welcome to Techi. In this video we will verify hybrid FreeBSD calendar information between on-premises Exchange 2025 and Microsoft 365. So before sharing the calendar between the user, we will confirm the checklist. We will check the Federation Trust, Organization Relationship, Availability, Address Space and Connectors to ensure calendar availability works seamlessly. So let's go to the server and get started. So right now we are on our server, and if we go to the Exchange Admin Center, we have our mailboxes here, and you can see the Raj has a mailbox on Office 365 and the user Jack has a mailbox on the on-premises. So we will try to share the calendar between these users. If you see the Exchange Online, you can see the Raj user has a mailbox on the Exchange Online. So first of all, let's verify the checklist here. Here if you see, I have opened the Exchange Management Shell and this is the Exchange Online. First of all, let's try to check with the Federation Trust. If we run this commandlet get Federation Trust, you can see the application identifier and the application URI. This shows the trust relationship between your on-premises server has with the Microsoft Federation Gateway, and it is very important for the secure FreeBSD authentication. Same if we try to run this command on the Exchange Online, we have the result like application identifier and application URI as a outlook.com. So we have the Federation Trust created, and now let's try to check with the organization relationship. If we run this commandlet, you can see the name on-premises and domain is, this is the domain we have on the Exchange Online, and this is needed for the FreeBSD queries. Also we can check for the address spaces availability, and you can see the access method is internal proxying to the Exchange Online. Also we can check the authentication server. If I run this commandlet get auth server, here you can see it is enabled and true. All these services are enabled and true. It verifies which authentication service is configured in Exchange Online for FreeBSD and OAuth, and it shows the default endpoint used for the hybrid authentication. Now let's also check the intra-organization connector. We will run this commandlet and you can see the name is this, target domain is techijack.net, and this is the discovery endpoint and it is enabled. It ensures that Exchange Online knows how to reach your on-premises server for FreeBSD request. Let's also check the organization relationship, and I will run this commandlet and you can see the FreeBSD access level limited details and FreeBSD access is enabled, that is true, for the domain techijack.net. So most of the things we have in place, and now let's try to test the FreeBSD from the Outlook on the web. So here the user account, that is Raj. This is on the Exchange Online, and this user is Jack, that is inside the on-premises. So let's try to share the calendar. If we go to the calendar, first of all let's try to set the sharing permission, and I will share the calendar with Jack, and I can see can view all details. So I will click on share. So now I have added the Jack user for sharing the calendar for the Raj user. I will click on close, and here we get the invitation like you are invited to share this calendar, accept it or not. I will accept it. You can see we can see the calendar of the Raj user. Even if we want to set the new event, and it says new event 1, and I will invite the attendees as a Jack and will set the time and will keep the time as default and will send it. Here we can see view the calendar. We can click on view calendar and we can see the Raj calendar here. Same way Jack user can also set the permission like sharing permission, and he can invite the Raj, and here you can select the limited details or full details. I will say full details, and you can send it to the Raj. So even I get that email new event 1 what we have sent from the Raj user, and you can say accept it, send the response now. Here it got that it has been accepted. So this way you can share your calendar from Exchange Online to on-premises and on-premises to Exchange Online. I hope the video was informative. Let's meet in a next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content.